The Galaxy F will reportedly arrive in March, and you thought Apple's price tags were crazy? Think again. For those of you that wanted the OnePlus 6T in purple, it's coming to the United States and the UK very soon, and if you're having screen problems with your iPhone 10 or data issues with your Mac, don't worry, Apple apparently has you covered. I'm Jaime Rivera, deeply mourning the loss of the genius that was Mr. Stanley. Such a sad day. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals, and yes, for those of you wondering, I'm currently in Taiwan on a mission that you'll learn about shortly. Samsung's got some Black Friday deals that are very compelling. $200 off devices like the Galaxy Note 9, $70 off the Samsung Galaxy Watch, which is currently charging right there that I'm using, and there are up to $300 off 4K TVs. You can learn more in the description. Now, let's talk about Samsung one more time, as to my understanding, this whole new user interface that the company just launched is called the One UI, no longer the Samsung User Experience. So it seems that not only new devices are getting it, apparently, according to famous tipster Ice Universe, we should be getting it up until devices like the Galaxy S8. I have no idea when you're getting it though, because Samsung is not famous for that. But hopefully, because this is apparently a less bloated version of their custom UI, it might take them less than before. Let's move the spotlight over to Apple, as apparently there are some bugs that might get you a new device if you're currently using devices like, for example, the MacBook Pro 13-inch non-touch bar from June 2017 to June 2018. It seems that there are some data issues that might get you a replacement. And the same goes for the iPhone 10. Last year's device is having touch response issues on the display, which might get you a new display. So if you're having problems, my advice to you, visit your local Apple store. Now let's talk about OnePlus, as the company has chimed in on a couple of projects that they're working on, one of them being 5G. It seems that it won't be the OnePlus 7, but it will be a device that the company will launch next year, which we assume to be the OnePlus 7T. So yeah, by the time of the fall, we might be getting a 5G OnePlus device. That's great. And for those of you that wanted that Thunder Purple device, it was, well, just announced for other countries that are not China. It seems that it will be coming to the United States and the UK. We'll keep you posted on that. And finally, the hot news today have to do with Samsung and its foldable device, be it Galaxy F or Galaxy X, which we're expecting to launch sometime next year. And we are expecting it because apparently components have already begun shipping. Manufacturing has already begun. The problem is when we learn the price tag by tipsters. I mean, this is a phone that folds into a tablet. Nothing new here. I mean, we've seen it from the Kyocera Echo terribly, the Axon M terribly. Yes, this is a new way with a foldable screen that's actually not two screens that split into one. I get it. But the price seems to be $1,750. That thing is going to have to be able to drive me to work every day for that price tag. Let us know in the comments, what do you think? Do you think that it's crazy? Do you think that it's possible? I don't think so. I think that Samsung right now is so in need of a vanguard product to pull it out of the mothballs that it's been when it comes to sales, that it would just shoot itself in the foot with this price tag. But leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know what you think. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.